Construction activity continues to progress steadily across the stadium, with multiple work areas advancing at the same time. From this position, a broad view highlights the scale of operations, with teams, machinery, and materials distributed throughout the structure. Several key developments are taking place simultaneously, reflecting strong coordination and consistent momentum across the project. One of the main highlights today is the compression ring. A large segment is currently positioned with crane chains already attached, indicating that lifting operations are either about to begin or were recently completed. Additional segments are also staged nearby, showing that multiple installations are being prepared in sequence. Despite the setup, no lifting takes place during this moment, suggesting that final positioning or adjustments are still ongoing before the next phase begins. Looking across the upper structure, the tower crane is visible, although from this angle it is difficult to confirm whether new elements have been lifted into place. Materials and lifting platforms are positioned across the surface, indicating continuous workflow. Even in areas where direct movement is not clearly visible, the presence of equipment confirms that preparation and support operations are ongoing. Moving down to the cantilever levels, a large number of workers are active across different sections. Elevated platforms are in use, and materials are distributed throughout the work zones. Some areas appear more active than others, while certain sections remain temporarily quiet. This variation reflects the phased approach of the construction process, where different tasks are carried out depending on the requirements of each section. At the second cantilever level of the south goal, activity appears relatively calm compared to other areas. However, this does not indicate inactivity. Previous work here included scaffolding installation and structural preparation, and current conditions suggest that this section is transitioning between phases before the next stage begins. Recent progress becomes more evident when observing the installed scaffolding. Over the past few days, crews have completed a large portion of the setup and have begun installing support elements. While not all details are clearly visible from above, the increased density of these components indicates steady advancement in preparing this area for slab completion. A major milestone is approaching in the south goal seating area. Prefabricated seating units have now been installed across most of the third tier. Only a small portion remains incomplete, indicating that this section is very close to structural completion. Once finished, this will represent a significant step toward finalizing one of the major seating zones of the stadium. At the first cantilever level, activity increases again. Workers are handling materials, and multiple storage sacks are placed across the floor. Interior work is ongoing, although visibility remains limited. The presence of crews and materials suggests tasks such as internal finishing, structural adjustments, or preparation for further installations. Inside the structure, several elevated platforms are actively being used. Workers are operating along beams and internal connections, carrying out detailed tasks that are not fully visible from the outside. These likely include adjustments, finishing applications, or preparation work for upcoming installations. On the exterior, clear progress can be seen in sections where louvers have already been installed. Some areas are now fully covered, marking completed phases of facade work. However, certain sections remain incomplete, either due to ongoing anchoring work or because of nearby structural elements that temporarily block installation. In areas where louvers have not yet been installed, work is focused on preparing anchor points. Elevated platforms are being used to install and adjust these anchoring systems, which are required before louvers can be added. This reflects a step-by-step process where structural preparation is completed before visible facade elements are installed. Another important activity observed is surface chipping along concrete joints. Workers are using tools to remove small portions of material, likely refining connections between beams and slab elements. This process ensures proper alignment and finishing quality before the next stages are completed. A large amount of material related to the compression ring is now staged on-site. Multiple segments, pillars, and radial beams are positioned in one area, ready for installation. The growing number of these elements confirms that upcoming work on the compression ring will continue steadily. In one corner of the stadium, excavation work has resumed. Scaffolding has been removed, and machinery is actively clearing soil along the retaining wall. This indicates a transition from structural preparation to ground-level finishing and cleanup operations. A new visual development appears in the lateral section, where black panels have begun to be installed. These panels are placed between structural beams, covering previously open gaps. This marks the beginning of another finishing layer and contributes to the overall exterior appearance. Nearby, multiple elevated platforms are working simultaneously on a structural frame. Crews are installing anchors and making adjustments across different levels. The coordinated use of several platforms indicates intensive work focused on completing this section. A significant milestone has been reached in the north goal, where louver installation has officially begun. Several units have already been installed in a short period, showing rapid progress. Additional units are prepared for installation, indicating that this area will continue developing quickly. Concrete work continues in the upper sections with pumping equipment positioned on site. At the same time, workers are applying finishing materials to beams, showing that structural and finishing tasks are progressing together in this area. In the corner structure, sandwich panels are being installed along both the front and side sections. Some areas are already fully covered, while others are just beginning. This work contributes to enclosing the structure and advancing toward final exterior finishes. The elevator and staircore structure shows clear progress, with large horizontal beams being installed across the frame. Steel reinforcement and alignment work continue, indicating that this previously slower section is now progressing more quickly. In the tribune section, large structural supports for the louver system are being installed. These components are noticeably larger and more spaced than in other areas, indicating a different roof configuration. Their installation represents a major step in shaping the final roof structure. A crane is actively lifting additional support elements into position. Workers are guiding these components carefully as they are installed, demonstrating precise coordination between teams. This process continues steadily as more sections are added to the structure. Inside the commercial diamond structure, activity has resumed after a quieter period. A crane is operating within the interior, indicating ongoing installation or finishing work following the completion of the glass facade. Overall, construction progress remains consistent across all major areas of the stadium. Key developments include compression ring preparation, the start of louver installation in the north goal, extensive slab coverage in the south goal, and new facade elements in the lateral section. While some zones appear quieter, the project continues advancing on multiple fronts with strong momentum.